Dragons.
Det var mit selv, ikke?
Well, that'd be nice.
Okay.
Something.
Her har vi en meget vigtig del af Danmarks kultur. Som du kan se, så har vi dragen derovre. Den er rød, og den blæser røg ud af næsen. Den er meget farlig. Den truer vikingerne der. Vikingerne, de var meget stolt folkefærd. De rejste rundt, og desværre nåede de aldrig til helt til Australien. Men de tog det meste af Europa i en periode. Yeah, I think that's about it.
That's about it?
Yeah.
Cool. Dragon. Yeah.
We have lots of them in Denmark. They hide in caves.
Do they have water come out of their nose? Is that common?
Water?
Yeah.
You can't see it's smoke.
Can't you see it dripping off his nose?
No, but he's a little bit having a little bit of a cold.
Oh,
too.
okay. Okay. Well, we'll let
Poor
him get
guy.
back to having a cold and attacking
One
Vikings.
of the beds that my clinic went that day. Give him an injection.
Alrighty.
Oh my goodness. So he'll be fine tomorrow.
Oh, cool. Well, that's good to know. Back to eating Vikings. Have fun, dragon.